Welcome to ThunderPOS for iPad. This solution can be used as either a standalone point of sale with your back office cloud database, or you can use it in combination with a ThunderPOS for Windows station. As you can see, we're logging in here, and then we're going to get a quick look at the default register screen. This one is meant to be used with a scanner, but you can also simply look up items just by tapping items along the bottom there, which will bring up this list. You can then hit the little search magnifying glass in the top left to do a search. We'll just do a search for Madden here. And then you can either add new or used from here. You can also do that by selecting new or used along the top right there. You can do sales, returns, trades, same things you can do through Windows. There's also this touchscreen version of the item screen. For this, you can configure the item groups along the bottom, and you can freely switch back and forth if you need to use a scanner part of the time and you want to use the touch register most of the time. It's as easy as just tapping touchscreen or tapping register in the top left. There's also a link to the back office there in the top left that would take you straight to the back office management website where you can add items, add departments and categories, all of that kind of thing. You would just need to have a login to the back office to do that. But most of the functionality available at the register in Windows is available through here, such as gift cards, suspending, and recalling transactions, all that good stuff. Give us a call for more information on this product.